Alright, so it's 80 degrees outside, and I've got this heater lamp in here, and let me show you. Look where my chicks are. They're way over in the corner, okay? It's too hot in there. So, I'm going to add a thermostat, and I've got videos out there on like 3 different designs of this, but this one uses a capillary tube, and this is going to work really well for what I want to do here. So about the height of where the chicks' heads would be, I'm going to drill a hole and install this so that when it gets too hot in there, it'll turn this lamp off. And so it's supposed to be 95 degrees, so I'm going to put it at about 100. This thing will decide that it's too hot and it'll shut off. Okay, so now I've got that up there, and so I may have to joggle around with the temperature just a little bit to get it exactly where I want it. But this way, you know, I live in the south, and so, you know, we might have a day that's 90 degrees here pretty soon. And as you saw those chicks over there in the corner, they were getting overheated. So I need something in here just to make sure that they don't get that way. So anyway, just wanted to show you this little add-on to the Brooder video. You might want to add a thermostat if you live a place where they might get overheated. Thank you for watching.